even your husband and the people in your house are tired of eating that white rice you always cook, try something new. If you are among the people that are tired of eating white rice, plain white rice, this yellow rice recipe I'm about to show you will come to your rescue. Make sure you watch till the end of the video, and then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy watching. Thank you. And then tell me if you're going to be trying this yellow rice recipe in the comment section. Bye. See you next time.